Is social media hurting your feelings? Now, what I mean by that is when you're done scrolling social media, how does it feel? In 2025, I've noticed that there's been more times where I wanted to chuck my phone after scrolling social media because I'm feeling frustrated, angry, or even despondent about the future and our country. Now, I'm not ready to let go of social media entirely. I use it for my business and I also really enjoy it. I enjoy connecting to friends. But more and more, the algorithms are feeding things that are making our nervous systems go into fight or flight. Whether it's political divisiveness or an uncertain future based on economics in the United States, or we know that recently it was uncovered that there's foreign actors that are pushing toxic messaging to both the left and the right on the political spectrum. So what are we supposed to do? Obviously, it's going to be helpful if we can practice some mindfulness to really be in touch with how our body is feeling when we're scrolling so that we can know when to put down the phone. But even more than just that awareness piece, it's important to have tools to deal with those difficult emotions that come up. I'm trained in something called mindful self-compassion, and it is a set of tools to help you be more kind and supportive to yourself. One of the tools in this curriculum is something called Soften, Soothe, and Allow, and it is a tool to help you deal with difficult emotions. Whether you're needing to sit with them and process them for a bit, or help move them through your body so that you can begin to feel different emotions. This is one of the tools I'm going to be teaching in my 2026 workshop, and it's something that I regularly do with my coaching clients. And so if you've noticed that scrolling social media is causing some difficult emotions within you, and they're lasting longer than you really want them to, this is a wonderful tool to help you work with that. After scrolling social media, we really don't want to sit in that discomfort for too long because it can cause anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. So find a way to help yourself, whether it's a coach, a therapist, or even learning some of these tools on your own, because your nervous system is not designed to take on the weight of the world. We need to be able to hear difficult things and allow ourselves to process and move through them. That's why I'm looking forward to this 2026 workshop, because we're going to spend half a day in community working on ways that we want to feel, shifting out of these difficult emotions and shifting in to the emotional states that are nurturing and will help us thrive in the new year.